Y'all sneakerhead, how y'all doing? How y'all been?
Hey, what's happening? What's happening? What's good?
So what I like about this channel, if you didn't know, we're gonna give y'all our honest opinion. Like these other sneakerheads out here, they just hype up any shoe, regardless of what it is. They just hyping it up. We'll let you know. It's we either rocking them or we're gonna drop them, and we're giving you our honest opinion. You don't have to like what we like, but we want to know your opinion too. So comment down below, so we'll know what you're rocking and what you're dropping. Hey, we just coming back with y'all with this weekly heat, giving y'all the updates for next week's shoes that are coming out.
The weekly heat, baby. The weekly
So
heat.
first off,
Those ones coming out, those low OG UNC to Chicago coming out. Women's pair going for about 140. Hey, I'm rocking those. I'm rocking those.
so you haven't seen these before. They already released in the OG1 high. This is, again, another women's release. I don't know why the women get all the nice colorways. So if you don't know the history of this shoe, it is representing that Michael Jordan moved from the University of North Carolina to Chicago. The theme has been gracefully performed on other sneakers, and this is the low version of the sneaker. Air Jordan 1 High released in February of 2020, and this is the new version, the low top version. It does feature that UNC on the back, as it's supposed to fade up and give you that Chicago red toe in the front. Now, I am rocking these. So let me know, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? So they do look like another shoe that I have. Like I said, I do collect the UNC colorways. This came out last year. This is the OG UNC colorway. So it's going to look similar to this. It's going to have that OG logo on the back. Well, that UNC hit. But instead of that black swoosh, it's going to come off with that UNC swoosh. Where you see the white, it's going to be black. And it's coming off with its white toes. It'll be a red toe. Finish off the toe box with that black. Both of these shoes will have the white midsole, but the outsole, as you can see in this one, will be UNC. The other one will be red. The front, the tongue, this pair has the UNC. The other pair will have that red in Nike Air. So let me know, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or copping these?
Hey, we rocking those. Hey, leave a comment. Hey, and like the video.
So just to let you know, these are going for under retail already. I again think it's having to do for two reasons. Number one, this is a women's shoe. As you know, women's shoes don't really perform as well as men's. And number two is that high price of one. Only time will tell to see how these will do. Give you a sample of what each of the two looks like. As you can see right here on my left, you're right. This is the regular Air Jordan 1 Low, and this is the OG version. As you can see, the back has a different type of logo on the back. As well as on the toe tag, one has the Jumpman, the other one has Nike Air. So it's just a matter of preference. Some people say they only rock the OGs. Some people say they only rock these regulars. And some people say they don't care, they rock them both. So let me know, are you a fan of the OGs, fan of the regular, or you don't care, you'll just rock them both? Comment down below. So we do have another shoe releasing on June 30th. It's the Air Jordan 7. This colorway is white, black, and crimson. StockX has these listed as Jordan 7 Retro White Infrared. This shoe is going for on the retail. The shoe features the predominantly white upper. It does have on the mountains that infrared. This is considered an OG colorway. Let me know in the comments, are you rocking these or dropping these?
Hey, we rocking those. We rocking those. Hey, make sure you leave a comment and let them know. Hey, and if you like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
So we say it for sure when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.